Hello guys, today I will show you how to use the Discord app with the help of a blue willow server. So the first step is to download this Discord app from Play Store. So I have already downloaded this app. After downloading, you have to log in this app with your email account. I have done this step. So after doing this step, you will go to the Google Chrome and type blue willow here. So this screen will come up. You will touch this create AI artwork on Discord app. You will touch here. After opening this, you will come here. How to get started? So to get started, you will have to use this link. This link will take you to the Discord app, and this is the Blue Willow server. This is the server that will help you to make AI pictures. So after clicking on this will redirect to the Discord app. Oh wow, you have to accept the invite. Now you can join any rookie 16, 17, 19, 20. I will use this rookie 19. So like this, I will type slash imagine, and the prompt command will automatically show up here after a few seconds. You have to wait for a few seconds depending upon the speed of your internet, or you can type this prompt yourself like this prompt has already shown up. So I will type make a cake or anything else you want to make it.